Hello friends, today I going to introduce about myself, about my English journeys, how I have started my English journeys up to this present time. Um, so welcome back to my YouTube channels in Versa Life Journeys, friends. And this Versa Life Journeys, why I have put this name, that also I going to tell you. So today my main topic is that how I have started my English journeys and when I have started, and during that times for learning my English journeys, how many problems I face in my lives. So that all those things I going to share in these videos. So continuous watch these videos because of in our English journeys, as I have faced problems, that same you may be also facing in these present times, right? So my dear friends, whatever things, new things we going to learn, there is really difficult to learn and to develop in our uh, personal life, right? So in my life also, when I was new to learn English, and this English is one kind of a language. So when we want to learn the new language, then there is little bit difficult to improve, right? So today I going to tell about my English journeys, how I have started and where I have to start, and how I develop, and what things I have first begun, and how I started to speak my English journeys. That all these things today I will tell you. Okay, so my friends, my English journeys, when I was studying in the English in Gujarati mediums, right? I didn't study in English mediums, and there was a hostel, and I was living in the hostels. So in the hostels, there's many girls were there like me. So they all knows reading only, reading and writings. Everybody knows now. Also everybody knows, but they do not know how to speak, right? So in my time also, during my study time also, I do not know the speaking and understanding, right? Only reading I knows, and writing, these two things only I knows, but I do not know the speaking and understanding to English to explain to other also, right? So that same problems today you may be also having with you. Okay, so my friends, my English journeys, I was very interested to learn. My main thing is that whatever things, new thing is coming, that I have to learn. That is my desire. Okay, and whatever things I have to learn, that I have to learn the properly. So when I got such kind of opportunities to speak English, that chance came in my life. So during that time, I have started my English journeys. How I have to learn, and what things first I have to learn, that everything I going to new. So I have started to speak English also. So first what I have did, first I have learned the vocabularies, small vocabularies I learned. After that, slowly I have learned the tenses. After that, I complete my tenses. Then I learn others grammars also, like conjunctions, adverbs, verbs, and so many are there grammars in our grammar books, right? So I have started like that. Then I have learned the vocabularies, but how to put, how to make sentence, and how to talk with others, that I do not know still. So I was troubling for that, to communicate with the peoples. Okay. Then once I got one of my friends, one sisters, then she knew very well English, to talk, to communicate. Okay, then we were talking with each other in English. I was speaking broken English because of I want to learn. So what things I did first, I have removed the same things, because of when we want to learn something, no, we no need to put in our mind same things and fear. These two things have to remove. Okay, so I remove the same things and fear from my life. Okay, then I started to speak, whoever may be there, I have to speak broken English. Whatever I learn, I have to put in practice. Okay, then I started my English journey like that with all my friends, those who know very well English. With them I was talking in English. Whether it's right or wrong, that doesn't matter, but I want to learn the English. I want to make the improvement in my life. That is my main desire. So I have started with my friends. One day what happened, uh, uh, all the vocabularies, all the words, small words, go, come, sit, stand up, sleep, eat, drink, uh, all these small words we know. But when we going to make the sentence and when we going to speak with others, during that time it's difficult to speak because of our confidence is not more, right? So we have fear, oh, I will speak wrong, or so my friends, they may laugh to me, so I should not speak, I have to be very quiet, because of I do not know properly English. Like that it's supposed to be, I kept in my life. Then I supposed to not talk now, like so that things, fear and awesome things I have removed from my life. So my friends, one day my friends, we were talking in English, and she told me, Varsha, you come here. She told me, Varsha, you come here. Come word I know. मुझे ये मालूम था कि कम इधर आओ ऐसे उसका होता है, ये मुझे हिंदी में मालूम था, लेकिन उसने ग्रामेटिकल में बोला, वर्षा यू कम हियर. ओके, सो आई कंफ्यूज, वर्षा यू कम हियर. सो मैं आई, उसके पास चले गई. बाद में मुझे पता नहीं चला, कम हियर, कम तो मुझे पता चल गया, लेकिन ये पूरा सेंटेंस का एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसे होगा, ये मुझे क्या कहना चाहते हैं, मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ा. बाद में मैं उसके पास जाके मैं पूरा हंसने लगी. बाद में सिस्टर ने बोला, क्यों हंस रहे? देन आई टोल्ड, व्हाट यू टॉक दैट आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, सो आई लाफ. देन शी ऑल्सो लाफ. ओके, देन अगेन शी टॉक सम अदर्स वर्ड्स. When we were going for walking, then she told, Varsha, you come with us, we will go for the walking. Then also I was give company to them, but I not understanding what is this meaning. But I was very humble and very sincere to learn the English. So I was, whatever they may talk, I was giving company with happily. Okay, then day by day, I come to know this meaning is this meaning is this. I was always, I written in my notebooks, I make my personal diaries. Then I was going with my friends, I have to carry my personal diaries. Whatever new words I catching, I have to write down in my diaries. Then when I was alone in my room, in my personal rooms, I had to prepare that vocabulary 1,000 times. I have to repeat and repeat, so that word I have to never ever forget, and it should not go from my mind. Like that I have studied one word, I have to write many times, and I was speaking out. I have to practice myself. I practice, and I was when I went to talk with peoples, I have to first think and talk with the people. Like that I have did in my English journeys time. So that same problems today you might also having, my friends. Okay, so don't fear and don't keep ashamed with you. You should not ashamed. Whatever things, whatever you have learned, that you have to talk with your friends. Okay, then fear, do not fear. आप किसी से भी डरना नहीं है. अगर मुझे आप डर के बोलना नहीं है, आप खुला ओपन हार्ट से, यू हैव टू बी स्पीक विथ फ्रॉम आवर ओपन हार्ट. हमको खुला दिल से बात करना है, खुले से हमके बात करना है, बिना डर से हमें बोलना है, तब हम अच्छी से हमारी इंग्लिश जर्नी को हम कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो टुडे माय इंग्लिश जर्नी इज दैट आई हैव टू मेक द सेंटेंस, राइट। सो हम आज सीखने वाले हैं कि हमें सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाना है। हम हमारी भाषा में हम पहले तो सोचना है। सपोज समझ लीजिए मुझे मार्केट जाना है, आई हैव टू गो टू मार्केट। मुझे कपड़ा खरीदना है, आई हैव टू बाय द क्लॉथ। मुझे बच्चे के लिए अच्छी चीज़ें लाना है, आई हैव टू बाय द गुड थिंग्स फॉर माई चिल्ड्रंस। मुझे अच्छा वेजिटेबल्स, गुड वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स मुझे खरीदना है, आई हैव टू बाय द वेरी फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स। मुझे अभी फिर वापस घर जाना है, आई हैव टू रिटर्न टू गो माई हाउस। मुझे एक बड़ा डॉक्टर बनना है, आई वॉन्ट टू बी एक वन ऑफ ग्रेट डॉक्टर्स। मुझे एक बड़ा ऑनर बनना है, एक बड़ा मालिकिन बनना है, आई वॉन्ट टू बी ए वेरी बिगेस्ट ऑनर ऑफ सम गुड्स हॉस्पिटल्स और सम गुड स्कूल्स लाइक दैट। एंड मुझे क्लीन्स करना है, कुछ रूम वगैरह हमें अच्छा से क्लीन्स डेकोरेशन करना है, तो आई वॉन्ट टू डेकोरेट माई रूम। अभी मुझे खाना बनाना है, आई हैव टू कुक। मुझे तरस लगी है, आई थ्रस्ट। मुझे भूख लगी है, आई फील वेरी हंग्री। मुझे नींद आ रही है, आई फीलिंग टू स्लीप। मैं थक चुकी है, आई एम वेरी टायर्ड। मुझे कुछ अच्छा चीज खाना है, आई फीलिंग टू ईट सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टेस्टी फूड्स। मुझे अच्छा कुछ फ्रूट्स खाना है, आई वॉन्ट टू ईट फ्रूट्स। मुझे अभी बहुत गर्मी हो रहा है, आई फील वेरी हॉट। मुझे अभी सोना है, आई वॉन्ट टू रेस्ट स्लीप। मुझे आराम करना है, आई वॉन्ट टू टेक रेस्ट। मुझे चलना है, आई वॉन्ट टू वॉक। मुझे सुबह सुबह में एक्सरसाइज करना है, आई हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज इन द मॉर्निंग्स। मुझे मेरा होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है, आई मस्ट हैव टू कंप्लीट माई होमवर्क। मुझे मेरे मित्रों के साथ बगीचा में जाना है, आई हैव टू गो विथ माई फ्रेंड्स इन टू गार्डन्स और इन द गार्डन्स। आई वॉन्ट टू गो, मुझे बाहर घूमने के लिए जाना है, आई वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर मूविंग टू आउटसाइड्स। मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करना है, आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक विथ माई फ्रेंड्स। लाइक दैट माई फ्रेंड्स यू कैन मेक द मैनी सेंटेंसेस। एज नाउ आई हैव टॉक that all sentence that because of why I have spoken many sentences, because of I learn the vocabularies as well as grammar also, so I can make the many sentences. So same way my friends, you have to also learn vocabularies, grammar, and you have to make the sentence and keep with you one diaries. Make your personal diaries. Wherever you go, whatever things you do in your life, you have to do. If you are very busy, time also you have to take 1 hour only and do your English journeys and complete your English journeys. Okay, so I hope that, and I know that my friends, without labor we cannot gain anything. Okay, सो हमें कुछ सीखना है तो हमें कुछ पे भी करना पड़ता है। हम बिना मेहनत से किसी को भी कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है। सो अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है तो आपको समय देना ही पड़ेगा, आपको थोड़ा समय निकालना पड़ेगा। अगर आप बहुत बिजी होंगे फिर भी थोड़ा सा समय इंग्लिश के लिए आपको निकालना ही होगा। शायद आप 30 मिनट और हाफ 1 घंटा ही काफ़ी है। इन द डेज एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू टेक आउट हाफ आवर और 1 hour. It's sufficient for your English journeys. Then you can talk and you can improve your English journeys, right? because of nowadays we are busy in our works. Many peoples, they have different kind of jobs. Some have government jobs, some have private jobs, some have self employments. Many things they are doing. So I know that everybody is busy, but my friends, I encouraging you that really you want to be learner persons, and you are the beginner persons, and you want to really the improve, you want to really the communicate with the peoples in English, then you have to pay your time, you have to spend your times after the learning English. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood that, and I hope you can do it. That is in our hands. Whatever we want to do, that is in our hands. Okay, that's things we have to complete it. Our desires should be learn something, and our decisions should be completed. हमारा जो डिसीजन है वो पक्का होना चाहिए, और अकॉर्डिंग टू डेट डिसीजंस वी हैव टू complete our works also. So today my decision was that I want to be improved in my life. That is my confidence. So according to that, my decisions, I started my English journeys, and still I am learning person. Still I am learning. Still my English journey is going on. Still I want to improve many things. This is not sufficient. I have no sufficient. There is many things are there to develop in my life. So still I am learner person. I am learning something and something. Day by day I am improving in my life. Because of whatever things, new things coming, I want to learn, and I have to develop in my life. I have to put in practical life in my life. This should be, I have to teach to other also. My friends, whatever things I learning, first I have to learn, then after I learn, I could understood, then I have to teach to other also. That is my main desire and main topic my. So I am learning, that is not only for my life, that is for others also. सो मैं जो कुछ सीखती हूँ ये मेरे लिए ही नहीं है, मैं दूसरों को लिए भी ये काम करती हूँ, मुझे दूसरों को भी सिखाना है. जो कुछ मेरे पास है ये मैं दूसरों को भी देना है. Whatever things I have learned, that I have to teach to others also. So मैं जो कुछ सीखती हूँ ये मैं दूसरों को लिए ही करती हूँ. Okay, our God's promise is saying God's given you free, so you have to also give free to your brothers, योर नेबर्स, योर रिलेटिव्स. सो हमें ये फॉलो करना है. हमें जो परमेश्वर ने फ्री में दिया है वो हमें फ्री में दूसरों को भी देना है. सपोज समझ लिए अभी जो ऑक्सीजन है हम ले रहे हैं ये फ्री में ऑक्सीजन है. सपोज हमको ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हॉस्पिटल में, तो हमें ऑक्सीजन का बोतल के लिए हमें कितना पैसा पे करना पड़ता है, राइट. सो गॉड्स गिवन अस दिस ऑक्सीजन, फ्री ऑक्सीजन, because of through that oxygens we are living each and every one up, right. So हमको जो कुछ परमेश्वर ने दिया है फ्री में, ये हमें दूसरों को भी देना है. इसमें हमारा परमेश्वर आनंद होता है. So my thing is that I have to give freely to others also. My friends, in the corona times, many students, I call them because of many students, they were simply they were sitting at home. Then I thought that let me teach them. So many students, many from 1 standard to 7, 8 standard students, they were coming to learn some English. So I was teaching them also. My friends, whatever things they learn, it will be helpful to in their future life. That is my main desire. And इसमें मुझे आनंद मिलता है, दूसरों को सिखाने में मुझे बहुत आनंद मिलता है. मेरे से किसी को कुछ पाता है तो मुझे इसमें ज़्यादा खुशी है. यही मेरा मेन डिज़ायर और मेरा मेन विषय है. सो मैं आशा करती हूँ आपके लिए मैं बहुत अच्छा वीडियो बना के लाऊंगी. आपको जो कुछ सीखना होगा ये मैं आपके लिए अच्छा वीडियो बनाती रहूँगी, और आप अच्छी से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. आपको बहुत अच्छे, मेरे से भी अच्छा इंग्लिश वीडियो आती है. बहुत अच्छा यूट्यूबर्स है जो अच्छी वीडियोस बनाते हैं, इंग्लिश में अच्छा सिखाते हैं. बट मैं जो कुछ सिखाऊंगा ये मेरे अनुभव के हिसाब से ही सिखाती रहूँगी फ्रेंड्स। मैंने जो कुछ एक्सपीरियंस मेरे लाइफ में हुआ है वो मैं बताऊंगी और इसके आधार से मैं आपको सिखाती रहूँगी, राइट। सो आई एम नॉट अ टीचर, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू टेल आई एम नॉट a teacher. I am the housewife, and housewife having many responsibilities. Housewife have to take care of all the works of the house. Housewife have to take care of the children's. Housewife have to take care of the husband works also. Housewife have to take care of the guest, those who coming from outside. Housewife have many responsibilities more than the doing the job. Okay, outside going for job they have only one work, but housewife having many works, they having many responsibilities from morning to evening. They have to many responsibilities they have to keep in mind and do it because of housewife having many responsibilities. So I am the housewife, and with my work I will make videos, good videos for your improvement, right. So my friends, I hope you give company to me, and I will also give गुड वीडियोस फॉर योर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि मैं आपके लिए समय निकालने वाली हूँ और निकालूंगी, तो आपको भी मुझे समय देना पड़ेगा। ओके, सो जो आप मुझे समय देगा तो आपके लिए एक मंथ ही काफ़ी रहेगा। एक मंथ में आप अच्छे कड़कड़ाहट वाली इंग्लिश आप बोल पाएंगे, सीख पाएंगे और अच्छे से इम्प्रूव कर सकेगा, ये मेरा विश्वास है, राइट। सो मैं आशा करती हूँ सभी बच्चे के लिए, जो कोई मेरे वीडियोस देखते हैं, मुझे आशा है आप सही से मेरे वीडियो से समझोगे और समझने के लिए कोशिश करोगे, तो आप अच्छी से शॉर्ट टाइम में आप सीख पाएंगे, राइट। सो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए बाय।